How to clear system storage on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear system storage on your Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here inside the settings, simply tap on about phone and after that tap on storage. And here you'll notice that the system storage often takes up a large portion. This is usually from software updates and install apps. Now with that, simply go back and here check for any software update if available. Because keeping your system up to date helps to optimize storage uses. And here with that, simply return to the main settings page and from here simply scroll down and tap on apps. And after that, just tap on manage apps and here in this section you will see the list of all the apps. So here you can simply scroll through the list or search for any apps that you no longer use. For this video, I'm gonna simply search for Android Auto. So here I'm currently not using this app, so I'm gonna simply tap on disable option at the bottom of the screen. And here I'm gonna simply confirm it by tapping on disable app again. And here once I'm done with that, it will help me to clear up app related system storage. So here you can also repeat this step for other unused or unnecessary app, and once you have done all this, you should notice that there is a decrease in system storage uses and your device will feel a lot lighter and faster. And that's it. That's how you can clear system storage on Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.